Going to a restaurant. Today I am going to a restaurant with my friend. We are hungry, so we want to eat. The restaurant is close to my house. We walk there. When we arrive, the waiter smiles and says, "Welcome." "How many people?" I say, "2, please." The waiter takes us to a table. We sit down and look at the menu. I see many kinds of food. There is pizza, pasta, salad and chicken. My friend wants pizza. I decide to order pasta. The waiter comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?" My friend says, "I will have pizza." I say, "I will have pasta and water, please." The waiter writes it down and leaves. After a few minutes, the food arrives. The pizza smells very good. My pasta looks delicious. We start eating. The food is tasty and we are happy. When we finish, the waiter brings the bill. I pay with my card. The waiter says, "Thank you. Have a nice day." We leave the restaurant feeling full and happy.